grab this. Oh, that's good. With all the glaze in there. I go all out. I mean, sometimes burn some of them, but they're not, because the fire was unpredictable here, but they're super extremely good. So we're gonna move all this stuff out. All right, just got the 4 warmers, and right now we put them to use. If you guys notice, look how steamy it is. Now you could set up your own heaters down here in the bottom. They do have these right here that pop out, if you guys can see that, and they open up and you can close them in. So this is important because when you want to turn them off and save some for later, you can do that. And right now it's hot, because so be careful. You want to have a party or something, you want to host, and you want to keep the food nice and warm. Look at this. Steak on one end, and then we got saute, caramelized carrots on the other end. So this thing was simple to put together. It took me about 20 minutes because I had to screw everything up in here. But instructions are very intuitive, very simple to put together, and start using silicone tops, which I like, silicone rings, I like. They give you an actual plastic, so you could take these silicone off in case you got to wash them within itself. First time you get them, make sure you wash them when you get these things, all right? So these things have a steam hole, so you don't have to worry about, over steaming some of the stuff in here. Now, if you're ready for hosting your parties or your meals, this is perfect for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video.